Hi there, I'm Meg, and today I'm going to show you this digital cut file that I've made and how you can use it. So once you add this to cart and check it out from my Etsy store, it'll be a digital download. So if you need help figuring out how to download it, if you just scroll down, here's Etsy's link to where you find those digital downloads. So once you've downloaded it, it is a zip file. So you will just extract the zip file. If you need help figuring out how to extract a zip file, I have a link right down here on my Etsy page. So once we've got that open, you will see a PDF, a PNG, and an SVG. I'm going to be using the SVG with my Cricut software, but you can use it with the Silhouse, with anything. So in Cricut Design Space, once you hit a new one, a new project, you'll hit Upload. And then you'll upload an image, and then you can just drag that SVG right from that folder into Cricut. You can hit save, and then you can see I've done this a couple times. I always test and make sure that my images work. And then there it is. You can resize it, make it smaller, make it larger, whatever you'd like. And then you'll just hit make. Load it up. If you're making this onto a t-shirt or using any kind of heat transfer vinyl, you'll want to make sure you mirror it. And there you go. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy, and happy crafting.